Hey everyone, this is Gilbo here. So we've got the introduction to the great riddle here. Just a brief how you're going, and just a quick overview of the content. We're lighting the candle here. We've got a teapot in the back here with Noah's Ark. So Noah was a rename of a more ancient character called Utnapishtim out of ancient Mesopotamia, and his ark was a giant cube, 120 cubits on the edge. So what has happened with that great riddle is it began with a vision from Jesus about out of the Revelation, looking at the structure of waveform, so 666 as a 2/3 waveform. So with harmonics, they break on the half, giving the octave, and then it breaks in the thirds, giving the major fifth. So you get this 2/3 as a waveform became the first clue in this. Now it's been a decade-long study of mine into spiritual science, physics. I'm trying to build a fundamental physics based on the idea that we can have a six-dimensional, we can build a six-dimensional wave pool. We can describe so there's another one, the three nested cubes makes time times and half a time. We've got an inner cube, a medium cube, and a big cube. And so if the waves break in halves, thirds, and then fifths as they do, then you end up 2 by 3 by 5 is 30. And then you get the inside, the middle, and the outside. You get 60, where we got base 60 maths out of Mesopotamia. And then you got the 120 cubed, the edge equals 120. So this is why we're coming back to Utnapishtim here for this little introduction here. That guy was an absolute bomb. Unfortunately, a lot of that literature is still lying in little fragments, if not still under the ground. But in fragments all around the world, in museums, we have those sublime pieces of literature, the Epic of Gilgamesh, the Atrahasis. These have obviously provided a forerunner to the work of Abraham, Moses, and also we had Plato dealing with this same content, the secret numbers and the geometry. There's some great references to this stuff, and so we've got a fundamental physics we're looking for, as well as a spiritual science. So there is some sublime journeys that I've been on in this study, and I really hope you take the time to listen to some of these videos and see for yourself the incredible amount that's still left to discover, as well as the amazing discoveries that I've been looking at over the last few years. That great riddle is just a phenomenal insight into those ancient texts, and as well into physics and spiritual science. So have a great day or evening, and that's it for me. Enjoy the videos.